Namaste, this is Astro Brinda from Coimbatore. The previous video, we saw what is the fortune star of your birth star or Lagna star. You can consider both your Lagna point star or moon point star. In this continuation of that video, we are going to see the fortune star of Magha Nakshatra. If your Lagna Lord or if your Lagna or the moon falls in Magha Nakshatra, Swati will be your fortune star. Whenever possible, in the month between October 15 to November 16 on Swati Nakshatra day, you can perform Abhishek to Lord Muruga, donate honey. You can donate honey or pearl or lamp anywhere, wherever it is needed or wherever it is required. If you can see buffalo, offer food to the buffalo. Feed pigeon or dove. Always Tula is equal to our body weight. Tula is, it is a balance. Tula people always give something and they get something. They should give something and only then they'll get something. So in this between period, you can offer, you can donate anything whichever you like equal to your body weight. Listen to Mahishasura Mardini's song daily, or even you can chant. And Swati Nakshatra is connected with shoes. Donate black shoes whenever possible, or chappal, black shoes or black chappal. And see on Swati Nakshatra day, if you buy a black shoe or black chappal, what difference you feel. That also you can observe. Even jeera you can donate to someone. Either jeera rice, in the form of jeera rice or directly jeera. If your Lagna or moon falls in Purva Falguni, Vishaka will be your fortune star. Purva Falguni, Uttar Falguni, Hasta, Chitra, Swati, Vishaka Nakshatra. The same month, the same lunar month, October 16 to November 17 or October 14 to November 16 in the period, on Vishaka Nakshatra day, perform Abhishek to Lord Muruga, and you can donate even that any silver there. Do charity to any ashram or any trust. Worship any saint, worship any guru, one who had attained samadhi. Maybe Lahiri Mahashai, or Mahatar Babaji, whomever you admire, whomever you love more. Chiku, you can donate or you can offer chiku. Offer chiku in temple to Swami, in Swami temple. You can donate to someone in any temple. Again, Vishaka Nakshatra also, same Tula. So either ghee or good, jaggery, or channa, you can donate equal to your body weight. Have brass tiger statue with you at home or in office. If you can find Potter man, surprise him in one or other way, either by giving sweet or some way you can surprise potter man. You can use mud pots in cooking. If your Lagna or moon falls in Uttar Falguni, Anuradha will be the fortune star because Anuradha will be the sixth star from Uttar Falguni. Uttar Falguni, Hasta, Chitra Nakshatra, Swati, Vishaka, Anuradha. You can donate fan, electrical fan to any temple or any old age home or in any electrical cremation place for any specific rooms or one who is working in cremation ground or burial ground. Have 2 brass deer statues at home or in office place. Offer lotus flower in temples often. Any underprivileged people you can surprise by doing service to them, whatever they require, whichever you can afford. If your Lagna or moon falls in Hasta Nakshatra, the fortune star for Hasta people will be Jyeshta. Again, have brass deer statues. Any fort statue you can have at home, let it be Taj Mahal or any sort of fort. You can write and get Kuber Chakra, Kuber Yantra you can write and keep with you. Any amulet, energized amulets you can have. Donate food outside maximum. You can have the statue of Devendra or Airavat also. Donate cotton dress materials or blankets to the needy. You can surprise by gifting someone, the needy, the earring or umbrella. Help farmers in one or other way. If your Lagna or moon falls in Chaitra Nakshatra, the fortune star is Moola. Moola symbolizes root. So you can always carry any root. I usually have Karimanjal with me. Any energized root or powerful root. Worship Hanuman. That is the Hanuman's image, in which we can see he is carrying the Sanjeevani hill. Sanjeevani. Such image you can find in portraits, even online. Between December 14 to January 16 period on Mula Nakshatra day, perform Abhishek to Anjaneya. And donate food to the needy. Feed dogs often. First feed the dog and then you take food. You can have the black dummer stick, energized black dummer stick. Me always carry it with me. And even if you need black dummer or Karimanjal, you can text to staff. We have highly energized it from some spiritual person. If it is available, staff can send it to you. If your Lagna or moon falls in Swati Nakshatra, Purvashada will be your fortune star. Purvashada. Often get wet in rain. Worship Mallikarjun, Lord Mallikarjun. Mushroom you can give to others often. You can donate mushroom often outside. Any monkey statue you have with you, And if you find someone near village, if they are in need of winnowing basket, you can give that winnowing basket to them. The portrait or image of elephant with huge tusk, you can have with you. If your Lagna or moon falls in Vishaka Nakshatra, the fortune star will be Uttarashada. Always keep your teeth clean. If any issue you found, trouble you found in teeth, rectify it immediately. Do Abhishek to Vinayak. Donate jackfruit, or you can even you can plant jackfruit tree on that day. Take care of any cow. Look after cow. You can even adopt it. Let someone bring it up. You can adopt it. You can share the expense for that cow. If your Lagna or moon stands in Anuradha Nakshatra, Shravana will be your fortune star. The sixth star will be Shravana. You can find the monkey statues. 3 monkeys. Eyes closed, ears closed and mouth closed. You can have the statues either in office or at home. Mahabali Vamana photo you can have. Plant a Tulasi on Anuradha Nakshatra day. You can even laminate the Tulsi leaf and keep it with you in your purse. Donate curd rice in Srirangam Ranganatha temple. If your Lagna or moon stands in Jyeshta Nakshatra, Devendra is born in Jyeshta Nakshatra. The fortune star for you is Dhanishta. You can have any musical instrument at home, any kind of working original musical instrument. Any Devi upon lion you can worship. Feed peacock. Lion statue in brass you can have. Peacock feathers you can have at home. For donating, you can give apple. Often you distribute apples. If your Lagna or moon falls in Mula Nakshatra, the sixth star will be Satabisha, which indicates 100. Donate anything in 100 or do anything in hundreds. Either give 100 fruits or lamp 100 lights, 100 deeps. You can have 2 statues of horse. Donate grapes fruit outside. Feed birds or animals in earthen pot. Water or food in earthen pots. So I think I'll continue in the next series, the rest of the 9 nakshatras. Thank you so much. Love you all. God bless you.